Hi, here's some instructions on using the Asset app. Uh, the top level of the Asset app is a plant or site. In this case, we've got one refinery. You can add another refinery or site just by hitting plus and getting another row and filling in these two fields here. Um, if you change your mind, you can just hit this here and you don't add the row. The big thing to note here is the drill down. It's a drill down tool. So in this refinery, we have 8 zone areas. So I'm going to click on that and it opens up a tab with those 8 zone areas, zones and areas. Um, and each of these has a drill down with varying amounts of operating units. So that one there has 7 operating units. If I click on it, I'll see the operating units in that area. Now, if I wanted to see all of the operating units in all the zone areas, this here is limited to A3. But if I uncheck that there, I'll now see all of the operating units in the plant. And there's 39. And because it's sorted alphabetically, you can see them all here. But the screen now doesn't let you see which area they're in or what zone they're in. So at this time, you may want to go to Tab Tools here on the right, and you'll see a tool here called Show Hide Columns. We'll click on it, and there's a hidden column called Zone Area. We'll drag it, and we'll put it up here. So it's to the left of unit code, and we'll now save that. And you'll now see the area has A1, 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 A2, 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 A3. So they're all mixed in over here because they're sorted by unit. If you wanted to sort it by zone area, you just click on this title and it's now sorted by zone area. Click on unit, it's sorted by unit. You can click on zone area and say, okay, now I want to keep the A1s together. So in that, I want to sort the unit. So you would right click the unit header and tell it to add ascending sort order to unit code. So you do that, and now you got a second sort column, 1 and 2. And now you've got the A1s together and the A2s in sort order as well. So there's another level of the drill down, and that's the equipment asset. So that's where for this unit, you will see that there's 241 equipment items. If I check on that, click on that, it opens the gateway to 241, and you can see them all listed over here. If you want to add a new one, you can do that. If you want to change a description, you can. I think these were all imported from an Excel file that probably came from SAP or wherever. But if you want to edit it here, you can edit that, save it over there, and then it's now editable. And you can make a change here, check that box again, and that locks it. We use a lock approach just to protect the data from a mistaken typing or from anybody getting access to it by mistake and making a change. So it's just a little protection, because otherwise, with many people using the system, it's easy to not know who made a change, and this way you're kind of protecting yourself. We can also add another column or another history tracking tool to this if it becomes important to have that. So I've shown you the hide unhide. I've shown you the plus, the minus. The delete is not active because it's locked, so you can't delete it when it's locked. Duplicate lets you duplicate a row, which can be a useful way to get a lot of your information duplicated. And saves a row after you've made some changes. Report tool is a tool that will have reports for you whenever they're configured. In this particular case, there's no reports in here. I think there may be one over here for the area tab. No. How about for the plant? No. So we can get a report, or we can create and the report creation is fairly easy, and we tend to do that right now until users get familiar with how this thing works. I want to stop right now. If there's any more questions, you can let me know, and just do a screen capture that includes the URL if possible and the who's logged in. And I can add more people in for you, Viet, if you'd like as well. Thanks. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.